can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Y'all already know what's going on. I got the TNF on and it's only for one reason. We're about to do a review for you guys. I know that this probably is a little bit late, but if you're watching this, it's probably because you're interested in buying this jacket or you're trying to see this jacket in detail. Who knows? Maybe you just want to see me in front of the camera just talking to you guys, but I am going to show you guys some details when it comes to the Supreme TNF $800 jacket. That's how I look at this jacket. This is the RTG jacket, which comes with the vest connected to it, but we are gonna get into it in detail. You got this little beak right here. I'm gonna talk about it in a little bit, but leave a like on this video if you do enjoy. If I'm not at 15,000 subscribers by this point, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and get me to 15K. We're probably like 150, 100 subscribers away. Who knows? Just go ahead and support the cause. This is the mission that I've been on. I've been trying to get to 15,000 subscribers all my life, and then after 15, I need 20, then 100. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So as you guys can see, I'm wearing the TNF right here. This is a size XL. I am a big boy, so this does fit me pretty nice. You know, it's not humongous on me, but it definitely feels like it fits perfect. Ideally, like in a perfect world, I would have got the all black one, but honestly, this is my second choice. I am a huge fan of this colorway. I love the way that the yellow bounces on the gray. As you can see on the right sleeve, you do have the TNF Supreme patch. Definitely fire. It's just that what pang you see it, you know what it is type shit. It does have a little distance between it. I don't know if this is a legit check video because I don't know if people make replicas, but I'm gonna try and give you guys the best detail I possibly can. You got that TNF patch right under it symmetrically is the Supreme patch on like this almost like a dark gray. I don't know how to explain it, but it is like a grayish tone. I am a fan of the fact that they decided to do gray rather than black because the colors bounce pretty nice. On the left sleeve, you got that RTG branding with them two like pickaxes. If you guys don't know, this is remote terrain gear. I might be wrong, but it's something like that. That's why this jacket is kind of light, but it's heavy.
Wrong. Dumbass motherfucker.
It's hard to explain. It has the vest connected to it. That's honestly what made me buy this piece. The vest does disconnect. Dude, come on. We're gonna talk about all that stuff though. I'm gonna take the vest off, but these are made by Gore-Tex as well. You got the North Face tag on it, all the information from TNF, but I'm gonna take the vest off so you guys can see the actual jacket without the vest, and it's actually way lighter. This shit has a plethora of branding on the actual vest in itself. It has that Supreme, North Face, and then you got the size right under it. This is probably my favorite part of the whole jacket. It would be the vest. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. The actual strap on the vest says North Face, and it does say Supreme going around the other side if I'm not mistaken. You can see right there it does say Supreme as well. On the front side of the vest, front left side, you do have the Supreme TNF patches, which are actually embroidered into it. It's not one of these type patches. It's actually sewn into the vest in itself, which is a pretty clean touch. The inside of this is like a warm fleece material. Then on the back, you do have like this book bag looking ass with hella straps. Hard to explain. You got that RTG branding. Then under again, you have the North Face Supreme branding. This is the little patch that they put on the sleeve as well. This shit looks like a backpack, and yo, I might be wrong, but you could even take this shit off of the thing. Bro, this is low-key Supreme Inception. You can take the vest off of the back of the vest that's on the jacket. I don't know, but that shit looks like a book bag that attaches to the jacket. A lot of shit to explain. I don't even know what's going on, but inside of this is basically what the front looks like. On the inside left side, you have a pocket right there, which is a zip up pocket. On the right side, you have like this mesh netting, which you can put like a water bottle in. The actual vest has a pocket as well. It has like these two walkie-talkie holders. I might be wrong, but that's what it looks like to me. You have a carabiner on this side, a little cargo pocket as well. This is like a completely multi-use vest, and this is just the vest. Like, bro, there's so much going on with this jacket. I'm gonna talk about the actual jacket in itself. It feels so much lighter without the vest, and I feel like it even looks a little bit cooler, but the vest is fire. Now, as far as the jacket goes, on the inside lining, I'm gonna try to get some B-roll for you guys. It does have Supreme TNF branding going all throughout it, which is a nice touch. I don't even know what it says on the back, but it probably does say TNF again, as you can see right there. Fire colorway. I'm a fan of this one because it kind of gives me like 90s vibes. I don't know, but this specific colorway just takes me back in time to a time when I was a little baby, maybe not even born. It's just cool to see, you know what I mean? This does have a pocket on the left side as well. On the right side, you got a pocket right here. You got a pocket right here. You got another pocket down here. Does it have pockets on the back at this point? I don't even know. It has a whole bunch of pockets. Like, bro, whatever many pockets you think that you need, you got, bro. There's a pocket right here too. Whatever you need to store. This shit is like a suitcase. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. There's probably like 15 pockets on this part of the jacket. Mind you, you got a book bag and a vest on the back of this shit if you decide to put it on. It does say Gore-Tex on the sleeve, and it has like this carabiner to hang something right there. This jacket is honestly insane, and I see why the price is $800. You got the Supreme hood, which does have the iconic Supreme upside down. It is like double-sided, so it's not gonna show, but you can kind of see the imprint Supreme on the hood. I'm gonna try to twist it for y'all, but it does say Supreme right there. As you can see, I look crazy. Supreme on the hood. Then you got like 7 patches of sizing Supreme North Face. I wonder if you could low-key sell these as separate pieces, because what if you just want the vest, or what if you just want the jacket? You know what I mean? But yeah, you do have that Supreme North Face branding on the back, North Face branding on the front, RTG on the side, Supreme TNF on the other side. This jacket is definitely worth it if you're looking for something like this. The reason this didn't have much resale is simply because the retail was already so high that it low-key scares some people away, including me. So I'm low-key gonna put this back where it belongs before something happens to it and I start crying. Like, I'm not trying to deal with that today. So I'm gonna just put this over here somewhere. I am gonna try the vest on for you guys. This is probably my favorite piece of the whole shit. This is hard, bro. Like, I would actually wear this vest solo just like this. I'm a huge fan of the vest in itself, and I feel like the book bag that it has low-key attached to it is fire too. You got the little vest going on with the Supreme straps. I forgot to show you guys last time, but the actual buckle for the vest has Supreme TNF branding on it as well, which is crazy. The attention to detail that they gave this piece is just fire. I would definitely recommend you to buy this piece if you're in the market for a North Face and are willing to spend the bank. You can go ahead and buy this piece. I am a fan of this jacket. The more I look at it, the more I appreciate it for what it is, and the more I understand the price that they decided to give this jacket. Now, this is, like I said before, an RTG line, which is also good for climbing mountains, doing whatever you got to do out there in the wilderness. This is going to protect you from these severe weathers. I don't know if it'll protect you from like coyotes and shit, but you should be good like with regular cold conditions and all that. Huge fan of this huge fan of this jacket. I just got clipped by the jacket. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. I'm appreciating it. I'm gonna have to let it go eventually though. It's too much money for me to be able to hold. This is probably gonna just help me pay for something big. Fire piece, and let me know what you guys thought about this review. This was kind of all over the place. I tried to show you guys the best way that I possibly could from this position. I'm gonna try to get like B-roll so you can see everything in better detail. Let me know if you enjoyed this video by slapping a like on this one down below. Share it if you know somebody who's trying to buy a Supreme TNF. Just share it, period. Like this video, subscribe, get me to 15K, and I will do a giveaway for you guys. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.